Welcome. If you're looking to keep your X, formerly known as Twitter, experience distraction-free by turning off likes notifications on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest update so you can stop those constant alerts and enjoy a more peaceful feed. First, open X from your browser and sign into your account. This will take you to your main dashboard, where you can access all your settings and preferences. Next, look to the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Find and click on the one labeled More. This will expand a new set of options for you. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is your control center for everything related to your account and notifications. Now, navigate to the Notifications section. Once inside, you'll see a tab called Preferences. Click on it to reveal more detailed notification controls. Within Preferences, choose Push Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune which alerts you receive while using X on your PC. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Likes. Here, you'll see an option to turn notifications on or off. Simply select Off under Likes to disable notifications every time someone likes your posts. Before you finish, make sure to save your changes. This step ensures your new preferences are applied and you won't be bothered by likes notifications anymore. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've taken control of your notification settings and can now browse X without unnecessary interruptions. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused social media experience, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on making the most out of your favorite platforms.